Hi everyone, I am Ligita. Today I'll show you how we can simplify vendor payment validation using TryShortcut.ai. Here's the problem we face. We maintain two separate sheets, one for vendor details, another for all the payments we made. Our payments are processed twice a month on the 5th and 20th. Currently, we enter all the vendor invoices manually into bill receipt sheet. After that, pick invoices to make payment. And once the payment is made, we manually update the date paid column in the bill receipt sheet. Is that this is manual process and the error prone. If you forget to update the date paid, there's a chance of picking up the same payment again, which could lead to duplicate payment. Since the updating is done manually, it's easy to miss sometimes. So this is where TryShortcut AI comes in. TryShortcut AI is a powerful tool that helps automate repetitive spreadsheet tasks and validation check. It can automatically verify whether all the payments made are correctly updated in the bill receipt sheet by date paid, reducing the risk of duplicate payments and saving significant manual effort. For that, we have to download the file. Live demo now. First, I'll upload a sample spreadsheet. Then I'll provide TryShortcut AI with a prompt explaining our validation requirements. We'll run AI and it will automatically check which vendor payments are missing in the bill receipt sheet and for which vendors the payment exists in the bank payment sheet, but it is not updated in the bill receipt sheet. We'll highlight any discrepancy for us. Processing may take some times depending on the size of the data and the number of sheets. I've run an already a report which is here for same data. You can see that it gave that this report is created by TryShortcut AI. The total vendor payment was made on August 1st for 13. Payment with invoice was 12. Correctly updated was 9. And missing or incorrect data entries were 4. In Inward Texture Design Services have date paid field empty. Now I can go there and manually check this also. So you can copy this, it will verify the date paid in column is empty. See all the it is captured everything, and that's it. Using TryShortcut AI, we can automate a critical part of our payment process, minimize errors, and save time. Thank you for watching.